Hello friends, welcome to CA Cafe. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has announced orientation course and information technology training through virtual mode for foundation and direct entry route students. Let's look at a couple of highlights about this announcement. This course registration can be done through online portal which is icaiongnineregistration.org by paying the requisite fees. The registered students will be getting the virtual platform link by the branches or program organizing units. Then students will have to register in the branch which is nearest location to their residential or communication address as maintained with the institute. Please note, ITT course students would submit the project report to the concerned faculty directly for evaluation and allotment of marks will be out of 500. This is a changes from the regular basis where module test and MCQ based final exam usually held at the branches before this COVID situation. And attendance will be marked in between the sessions and in mid sessions. Please note, this is very important. And students are required to complete this course without discontinuity. Students not attending classes for any particular day will be marked absent and will have to compensate their attendance in another batch in the same POU. And students are required to maintain discipline and decorum. If there is any misbehavior or a nuisance in the class, then faculty will have a power to make a note of it, and issuance of a program completion certificate may be withheld. This is a point to be noted, my dear students. And then completion certificate will be given on completion of 15 days of training. Let's look at a couple of points on information technology course. What is this course all about? This course is to understand how the information technology in the field of accounting and auditing and uniform theoretical and practical knowledge to all the inspiring students. The training components of the course focuses on use of application software relevant for accounting, auditing, allied areas related to CA profession. So the training would focus on knowledge of electronic spreadsheet, that is a Excel, database management system, computer assisted audit techniques, and etc. etc. And the course will be a minimum 6 hours per day in 15 working days, and there has to be a 90% attendance, and the fee would be 6,500 including study materials. So move on to orientation course. The fee approximately would be 7,000 rupees including study material. This course is to familiarize with the various dimensions of the Indian accountancy profession and to improve your communication and presentation skill. It is to groom and motivate you to being a CA professional. And it's all about to tell you about values such as integrity, transparency, and independency in budding professionals. So this is a good news for most of the students because they were all anxious because orientation course and information technology course was withheld due to COVID-19 situation. Now they can do it online, that is virtual mode. So dear friends, hope this video helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly share this video to all of your friends and contacts, and I request all of you to subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe to this channel so that you all could get updated daily videos on various topics. So catch you soon. Take care.